Diego is here, and the whole SIRP team is here, even more willing to help and assist you. During the lockdown, we have invested our time and resources in new research, in new ideas, and in creating new cooperation and partnership. There are many other projects, and we want to share them with you. I hope that with these pictures, we will be able to show you our material, our research, our sustainability, our colors, and the new trend. I'm aware of the limitation of looking at a video instead of touching and feeling the leather. But I hope we will be able to meet soon and let you see for yourself our new collection. Until then, call us, write us, and we will send you all the sample and information you may need. We will send you our new book as soon as possible. And as usual, we remain at your disposal even more than before. Thank you.